If you've been running on Loyverse, this guide brings your stores, items, customers, and team into LaundryVerse in one step, usually in under 2 minutes. After signing up and verifying your email, you'll land on the Why How Do You Manage Sales screen. Click Import from Loyverse to start the migration. You have 2 ways to authenticate. Connect with Loyverse signs in through their site in one click, or paste an API key if you'd rather skip the redirect. To grab an API key, open Loyverse Backoffice, go to Integrations, then Access Tokens, and click Add Access Token. Copy the token it shows you. Paste the token into the Loyverse API key field. The field dots out for safety. That's expected. Click Connect and Sync. We validate the key against your Loyverse account, then start the import in the background. You'll land on the Setting Up Your Account screen. We pull merchant info, stores, categories, items, customers, employees, payment types, and discounts in that order. Each step shows a count when it finishes, items, customers, and so on. Receipt history isn't part of this sync. It backfills in the background once you're in the dashboard. Next, classify your items. Step 1, tick every item that's a staff-handled drop-off service like wash and fold, comforter wash, or specialty laundry. Receipts with these items auto-create orders on the POS board. Click Next to move to the self-service step. Step 2, tick items for customer machine use, like self-service wash or self-service dry. Everything you don't tick stays as unclassified. That's fine. You can change service tags anytime from catalog items. Click Continue to Dashboard to finish onboarding. You'll land on Getting Started in the dashboard. Same checklist whether you imported or started fresh. Focus on the activation phase today. Before moving on, spot check catalog items, sales customers, and operations stores from the sidebar. If something's missing, it was probably archived in Loyverse. Your data is in. Next, watch setting up the POS to register a device, log in with a PIN, and open your first shift.